आज हम लोग करेंगे टॉटोमराइजेशन एंड हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन। जो लास्ट टाइम हमने लास्ट सेशन में किया था उसी को कंटिन्यूटी वे में है। सो आई होप कि टॉटोमराइजेशन और हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन में अभी तक कोई डिफ़िकल्टी या कन्फ्यूज़न नहीं है ना। हमारे पास कुछ मॉलिक्यूल है और उसका क्या लिखना है हमें, टॉटोमर्स। क्या लिखना है, टॉटोमर्स। So for each and every given problems we have to decide whether the tautomers will be possible or not। तो कुछ कुछ मॉलिक्यूल मैं लिखते चलता हूँ, आप भी साथ में करते चलिए, मैं भी करता हूँ, है ना। So the first molecule is CH2 double bond C double bond O। So for each and every molecule हमें क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन। एंड वंस वी आइडेंटिफाई द अल्फा हाइड्रोजन we will be able to write down the tautomers, right? So in this case definitely we can write down the tautomer. This hydrogen we can say it is alpha hydrogen, right? So it will goes this way and this way and tautomerization will take place. प्रेफरेबली इसको क्या प्रेफरेबली इसको क्या बोलेंगे, टॉटोमर्स बोलेंगे या फिर ये बोलेंगे कि ये दोनों हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन कर रहा है आपस में। या यूजुअली इसको केमिस्ट्री में यूजुअली इसको बोलेंगे दे आर टॉटोमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर बिकॉज हेट्रो एटम इज इन्वॉल्व। वेन एवर नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन विल बी इन्वॉल्व इट विल बी टर्म्ड एज टॉटोमर्स, and if it will be happening between homatomic carbon atoms then it will be called as what, hyperconjugation. Since oxygen is involved here, so this will be termed as what, tautomers. So is it correct, whatever I have written here is correct? Okay, so यहाँ पे जो माइनस है, यहाँ पे माइनस पे आके कौन जुड़ेगा, H अल्फा, तो ये हो जाएगा OH अल्फा, राइट। Exactly. So second compound is ये दिखने से ही इनॉल फॉर्म लग रहा है ना। ये क्या है, इनॉल फॉर्म, तो इसको क्या बना देंगे, कीटो फॉर्म। क्या बना देंगे, कीटो फॉर्म। So H alpha will goes to this position, so this is called as keto form and this is called as what, enol form. Any problem? So we'll try to write down the tautomers for some compounds and then we'll go to the next topic. This is also an enol form. What is this? This is enol form, so we can convert this compound into keto form. How we can do this? We can assume this as an H alpha. It is not necessary to assign alpha again and again because mainly in keto form we will assign H alpha, but still this is H alpha, है ना। So we can say that this is enol form and this is what, keto form. Any problem till here? Okay, so the next compound is This is called as cyanoform. This is called as what? Cyanoform will get converted into isocyanoform, right? These are just naming system. This is H alpha. Cyanoform and isocyanoform, right? All these are tautomers of each other, right? Okay, so the next example is this one. So this will perform the what? Yeah, minus plus, and we can show a H alpha like this. So यूजुअली किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल में क्या होता है कि एक नाइट्रो ग्रुप होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं नाइट्रो एसी नाइट्रोफॉर्म, बट यहाँ पे दो नाइट्रोफॉर्म है, तो दोनों नाइट्रोफॉर्म के साथ टॉटोमराइजेशन हो सकता है, राइट? सो दे आर परफॉर्मिंग कीटोइनॉल टॉटोमराइजेशन. सो ये वाला ऐसे जाएगा, ये वाला ऐसे ब्रेक डाउन होगा. So technically it will become H alpha, right? Any problem till here? Okay, so should we move to the next one? Yeah, sure, please. Okay, so here in these compounds we can say that, let me write down, this is nitroform, this is AC nitroform, right? So in these examples we have enol form, ketoform, cyanoform, isocyanoform, and nitroform, AC nitroform, right? Why it will not perform tautomerization? Why? Yeah, since no tautomerization, है ना? Due to absence of alpha hydrogen, right? हम उसको हाईलाइट भी करेंगे उस पॉइंट को कि किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग इस पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे कार्बन का वैलेंसी 4 ऑलरेडी फुलफिल्ड है, वहाँ पे अभी कोई एक्स्ट्रा हाइड्रोजन नहीं डाल सकते, राइट? एंड दिस इज द अल्फा कार्बन वेयर द अटैच्ड, अगर अटैच्ड हाइड्रोजन होता तो उसको अल्फा हाइड्रोजन बोलते, बट हाइड्रोजन है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, इसलिए यहाँ पे टॉटोमराइजेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है ना? ओके, so the next example is, this was G. Let us consider the next one, that is H. क्या ये कंपाउंड टॉटोमराइजेशन शो करेगा? Yeah, it will perform tautomerization. So any of the alpha hydrogen, we can see we are having 4 alpha hydrogen, right? any one of the alpha hydrogen will perform tautomerization, right? Let's say the alpha hydrogen we are using, let's say this is H dash, H alpha dash, right? So it will become H alpha dash tautomerization, right? So they are tautomers of each other, है ना? So again we will try a keto form. We have a compound that is like keto form, and let's see if it will be able to form a enol form or not. On both the pi bonds, yes, it is possible, so we can perform, obviously. Very good. Even this can perform tautomerization, right? So it may happen this way. In that case, what will happen? H alpha dash will remain as it is. Double bond formation will take place here, and let's say H alpha double dash to this, right? It will goes here, and these two H alpha will remain as it is. So I hope you are getting it. So this is a tautomer. This is also a tautomer. Any problem? So G was not performing tautomerization because there was no alpha hydrogen, or we can say there was lagging of alpha hydrogen. वहाँ पे alpha hydrogen था नहीं, इसलिए हो नहीं पाया. जब अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होगा तो टॉटोमेराइजेशन होगा, और कभी कभी अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एक से ज़्यादा है तो मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ टॉटोमेराइजेशन विल टेक प्लेस, राइट? मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटीज विल बी देयर डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. ओके, so should I go to the next slide? Looks like this is a keto form, right? This is a keto form, so we have to find out whether it will perform tautomerization or not. If it will perform tautomerization, what kind of tautomerization it can perform? Keto-enol tautomerization, right? So will it perform keto-enol tautomerization? The structure as well. Can we say that this is H alpha? This is also H alpha, right? Since there is pi-pi conjugation, so hyperconjugation will take place and hydrogen will get shifted to the oxygen atom here, right? H alpha, CH3, CH3, and one H alpha is still remaining there, right? So this is the tautomerization they are performing. One more thing we can note down here that is interesting. Tautomerization cannot be performed from this carbon atom because this carbon does not have any alpha hydrogen, right? But yes, this carbon have alpha hydrogen and they are making a proper conjugation, right? Any problem? Okay, so this compound is performing tautomerization, and yes, we can count the number of alpha hydrogen present here. The total number of alpha hydrogen present in this compound is 2, right? 2 hydrogens are alpha hydrogen and they can perform tautomerization, out of which we have utilized one alpha hydrogen. Still one alpha hydrogen is there that also can perform tautomerization, right? Next example is This compound will perform tautomerization. Exactly. In this case, we are having 4 alpha hydrogen, right? Any one of these can perform tautomerization, right? So I'm using this one. We are free to choose any one of the alpha hydrogen, right? So this is basically keto form, and this is what? Enol form, right? Any problem till here? Okay, so we can say that this is keto, this was keto form, and this is what? Enol form. Again, this is keto form, and this is what? Enol form, right? So if you have any problem till here, you may ask, please. Okay. So the next example is, this is a keto form, so we have to identify whether it will perform tautomerization or not. It will perform tautomerization. It will not perform tautomerization. Why? It has no alpha hydrogen. Exactly. Correct. So this compound will not perform tautomerization due to absence of alpha hydrogen, right? Now let us come to the L part. Who is lagging alpha hydrogen in the previous example? This carbon does not have any alpha hydrogen. This carbon does not have any alpha hydrogen, right? This carbon is missing alpha, and this carbon is missing alpha. There was no alpha hydrogen, hence it was not performing tautomerization, right? So the L part is, will this compound perform tautomerization? Will not perform tautomerization. Again, it will not perform tautomerization because again there is lagging of alpha hydrogen, right? So due to absence of alpha hydrogen, it will not perform tautomerization again. There is no alpha hydrogen present at this position, right? Does not just a second, does not perform tautomerization due to absence of alpha hydrogen, right? Yeah, it was CS3. Just a sec. It is CS3. I'm not marking anywhere, but still we are not able to find any alpha hydrogen in this compound, so we can't say that कि ये tautomerization perform करेगा. Alpha hydrogen है ही नहीं इस compound में. So since there is no alpha hydrogen, so it will not perform tautomerization anymore, right? So should we move to the next example? Actually enol form. This is what? This is enol form, and we can say this is a alpha hydrogen, so it will perform tautomerization very well. By rearranging themselves this way. So this is what? Keto form. This is what? Keto form. It will again move this way. And we will get one more keto form, right? So this compound have 3 tautomers, right? We can get one more keto form. I don't think so. Yeah, if we will shift the other pi, that will be repeated with the second one. Yeah, since there is repetition, so there is no need to consider again. They will be repeated compounds since they will be having same nomenclature, right? So we have got 3 tautomers of phenol, and we can say that alpha hydrogen is moving one by one, right? For the first time of movement, we are getting first to second, and then the second time movement, we are getting second to third enol form, right? So the next example is this is nitrobenzene. This is what? Will it perform tautomerization? Yeah, it does not perform tautomerization. Why? Because again there is lagging of alpha hydrogen. कौन सा वो हाइड्रोजन है जहाँ पे एक्सपेक्टेशन था अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होने का बट है नहीं, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था. अगर वहाँ पे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होता तो टॉटोमेराइजेशन पॉसिबल हो जाता, बट वो पोजीशन पे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इज नॉट देयर, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इज मिसिंग एट दैट पोजीशन, हेंस टॉटोमेराइजेशन विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल, राइट? So in this case nitrobenzene tautomerization will not be possible. So let us consider the next compound. Will this compound perform tautomerization? It can't perform. It can't alpha hydrogen due to lack of alpha hydrogen. अगर यहाँ पे जहाँ पे हमने इंडिकेट किया वहाँ पे अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होता तो पॉसिबिलिटी बनता था, राइट? So the next example is this is a kind of enol form, right? Will it be performing tautomerization? Yes, it will perform. Yes, it does. So we can say that this is keto form and the previous one was enol form. The previous one was enol form. So let us consider the next one. Will it perform the tautomerization? Okay. So here we have alpha hydrogen, so it will goes this way, right? And CH3. So they are tautomers of each other, right? So should we move to the next page? So this bond will break down like this and this, right? H alpha, and we can show the previous H alpha. Those we have not considered for enolization process, right? But still 3 alpha hydrogen has been left which can perform tautomerization, right? Yeah, we will consider only one tautomer because rest are repetition, but at molecular level, whenever the mechanism will comes into the picture, sometimes suppose this is a very important question. Whenever we will go to the at mechanism level, so sometimes we will be getting the compound like this: hydrogen, deuterium, double bond NH, right? And in this case, if we want to write down the total number of tautomers, so in this case we will get total number of how many tautomers? See, this is H alpha, this is D alpha, this is H alpha, this is H alpha, right? So we are considering the tautomers on the basis of different nomenclature. If we are getting the compound having different nomenclature, we will assume that they are different from each other, right? And if we are getting two compounds having same nomenclature, we can say that we are getting the same compound, you know? So in this case, we will try to write down all the possibilities. So this is the first possible tautomer we have written here, right? Second possibility we can show with the deuterium. D alpha, and the H alpha will be as it is. So this is the second possibility we can say. Actually there is a double bond here. Oh, sorry, you are right. Here it will be single bond, है ना? And here there will be double bond. And again there is a third possibility. थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी कहाँ से आएगा? डायरेक्ट यहाँ से आएगा. कैसे आएगा? ये वाला अल्फा हाइड्रोजन क्या हो सकता है? ऐसे डोनेट कर सकता है, और ये वाला ऐसा ब्रेकडाउन हो सकता है, राइट? इन दैट केस it will form a third tautomer, NHH alpha, H alpha, and D alpha is there as it is. There is no movement till now. Any trouble till here? No, no. Okay, so this was a good example. Actually, fourth tautomers we can write down, but you must be opting in that way, this alpha hydrogen and this alpha hydrogen, right? But in that case we will be getting same nomenclature now, so they can't be considered as different tautomers, right? Okay, so this will perform tautomerization. So alpha hydrogen will get shifted to the NH वाला पोजीशन. यहाँ पे NH वाले पोजीशन पे कौन शिफ्ट कर जाएगा? H alpha, right? So this is called as iminoform. This is what? Iminoform. This is enaminoform. What is this? Enaminoform. I hope you are getting it. So the next one is, again we have a keto form, and we have to identify whether it will perform tautomerization or not. So we have this compound, so we have to identify कि ये tautomerization perform करेगा या नहीं, है ना? It will perform. It will not perform tautomerization. Why? Actually it has alpha hydrogen. Exactly. That is the reason. So we can't say there is no alpha hydrogen. Are you getting my point? Technically we can't claim that this compound does not have alpha hydrogen. it have alpha hydrogen, but still if it will perform the enolization process, this carbon will become sp hybridized, which will be having linear geometry. Hence, due to ring strain, or this is also called as angle strain, right? This enol will not be stable enough. Hence, this tautomerization will not be possible. So this is a very good example of a compound which is not performing tautomerization even after having alpha hydrogen, right? So अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होने के बाद भी ये टॉटोमेराइजेशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर परफॉर्म करेगा टॉटोमेराइजेशन तो जो इनॉल मिलेगा वो हाईली अनस्टेबल होगा, बिकॉज रिंग में कभी भी sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन सस्टेन नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? So this is keto form, but this is the enol form which will not be forming, right? So technically this enol is not forming here, right? So let us consider the next example. एक्चुअली वैसे देखने में सिंपल है, बट ऐसे सिचुएशन कहीं भी आ सकते हैं, बहुत जगहों पे आ सकते हैं जहाँ पे sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होने की वजह से रिंग में स्टेबिलिटी काफ़ी क्या हो जाता है, लो हो जाता है, और टॉटोमेराइजेशन विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल एट ऑल. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो इन दोज सिचुएशन वी हैव टू अवॉइड द sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इन रिंग because it increases ring strain, or alternatively we can say that it will increases angle strain, and hence the stability of ring compound will decreases, and that tautomer will not be stable enough. So in these cases, even after having the alpha hydrogen, we can't write the tautomer form, right? Okay, so the next one is this compound will perform tautomerization or not? Definitely this compound will not perform tautomerization, but does it have any alpha hydrogen? Exactly. In this case also there is alpha hydrogen, but the same thing will happen as of the previous example if we परफॉर्म द टॉटोमेराइजेशन, जो कि होने ही वाला नहीं है. It will become the case of regular double bond. Hence tautomerization is not possible since this compound is not stable. So let us consider the next example. So ये वाला कीटो फॉर्म टॉटोमेराइजेशन परफॉर्म करेगा क्या? ये वाला परफॉर्म करेगा, बिकॉज अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है और इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है, sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे नहीं है ना. जैसे कि प्रीवियस केस में देख सकते थे कि इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या हो रहा था, sp, इसकी वजह से वो उसका स्टेबिलिटी लूज हो गया, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये वाला ऐसे ब्रेक डाउन होगा, ये वाला ऐसे ब्रेक डाउन होगा, and it will perform tautomerization, OH alpha, right? So technically this is called as keto form, and this is what? Enol form, right? So keto form and enol form. So let us consider the next one. Yes, it will perform tautomerization, right? 200%, है ना? Because there is alpha hydrogen present in this case, यहाँ पे, है ना? H अल्फा. अच्छा, बार बार जब H अल्फा लिखते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि एडजेसेंट पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए, एडजेसेंट पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए. टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो ये एडजेसेंट, कभी कभी एडजेसेंट पोजीशन नहीं भी होता है, तो कॉन्जुगेशन, पाई कॉन्जुगेशन की वजह से भी उसको H अल्फा बोल देते हैं, राइट? तो एज वी कैन सी हियर, they are performing the resonance like this, sorry, not resonance, tautomerization, right? क्या यहाँ से आगे भी जा पाएगा ये टॉटोमराइजेशन? बिल्कुल आगे जाएगा. एच अल्फा जिसको हमने बोला था, एज्यूम किया था, वो अभी भी मूव ऑन कर रहा है, राइट? So we are getting 2 tautomers. Any more tautomerization structure will be possible in this case, or we are done? We are done, right? So we can say that this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? Technically, whenever we are doing the tautomerization process, we will be counting all the tautomer structures. So we are getting technically 3 structures, right, including A. So I hope you are getting it, है ना? So let us consider the next example. ये वाला कंपाउंड टॉटोमराइजेशन परफॉर्म करेगा. ओके, सो कैन यू राइट डाउन द टॉटोमर फॉर दिस कंपाउंड? तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोजन है इसको बोल देंगे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, है ना? So it will break the bond like this and this, right? So again we can say that this is iminoform, है ना? And this is enaminoform. Not, this is also iminoform. That's just a coincidence. आप देख लीजिए, वो भी इम्यूनोफॉर्म है, ये भी इम्यूनोफॉर्म है. इनामिनो कब होता है? जब अल्कीन और एमीन बनता है. एमीन बन रहा है एक्चुअली, लेकिन इमीन बन रहा है, अल्कीन नहीं बन रहा है इधर, है ना? तो इसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड नाम लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जाने दीजिए. जब इमीनो इनामिनो बनेगा तो लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे दोनों इमीनो टाइप ही बना रहा है, दोनों इमीनो फॉर्म में है, बट दे आर टॉटोमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर, राइट? दिस कैन गेट शिफ्टेड दिस वे, राइट? So we will get a very interesting compound. यहाँ पे आ गया H alpha, it will become double bond N, CH double bond NH, है ना, double bond and double bond. I hope you are getting it. So ये और भी पॉसिबिलिटीज दिखा सकता है यहाँ से, है ना. This will move this way. So this is also a tautomer, right? Do we have any more possibilities of tautomerization here? After that it will be a repetition, exactly, for this compound, है ना. So total tautomers we have got is 4, right? ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं पूछ लेता हूँ. वैसे वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, फिर भी आप सोचिए, क्या ये वाला हाइड्रोजन मूव कर सकता था कहीं? बिल्कुल मूव नहीं करेगा, उसका वो अल्फा है ही नहीं, इसलिए मूव नहीं करेगा. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ टॉटोमर्स इसमें कितना हो गया? 4, है ना. सो दिस इज ए, बी, this is C and this is D, right? So we have got total 4 tautomers for this compound, and we have the next example after this. So I hope the concept of tautomerization is very clear till now, है ना. So the next example is, ये वाला कंपाउंड टॉटोमराइजेशन परफॉर्म करेगा. So can you write down the tautomer for this compound? So इसमें सबसे पहले अल्फा हाइड्रोजन को लोकेट कर देंगे, है ना. Can we consider this as alpha hydrogen? Okay, so this is alpha hydrogen and we are going to write down the tautomer for this compound, right? CH2 का मतलब क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे अल्फा आ चुका है, राइट? So they are tautomers of each other. Very good. A lot of possibilities are there. ये वाला H अल्फा इधर भी जा सकता था, राइट? सो एक और लिख देते हैं, मतलब मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटी तो है ही, बट एक और लिख देते हैं ना. So we can say that this compound A, this compound B, and this compound C, they are tautomer of each other, right? Yeah, any problem till here? Okay, so let us consider the next example. I think this is the last one. Yeah, alpha hydrogen, this is what oxymenoform. Any problem till here? So मेनली क्या क्या था? नाइट्रोसो ऑक्सीमिनोफॉर्म, कीटो इनॉल फॉर्म, और क्या था? नाइट्रो एसी नाइट्रोफॉर्म, राइट? सो एक और एग्जांपल है, सपोज मोस्टली एग्जाम में आ चुका है क्वेश्चन कि क्या ये टॉटोमेरिज्म परफॉर्म करेगा? कांट परफॉर्म, वेरी गुड। क्यों नहीं परफॉर्म करेगा? या एग्जैक्टली, दिस ब्रिजेड कार्बन एटम हैव H alpha, but still this will not perform tautomerization because if it will perform, the compound will become highly unstable, right? बिकॉज यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज अगर डबल बॉन्ड हमने बना भी दिया तो इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या हो जाएगा? sp2। So this tautomerization is not possible. ये वाला टॉटोमराइजेशन पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, राइट? अगर उसी कंपाउंड में एक जो मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ उसको हटा देते, वहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन रहता, तो क्या करता ये परफॉर्म? तो इसको एक एग्जांपल में लिख लें क्या? ओके, सो ये वाला नोट डाउन कर लिया, ये दिस एग्जांपल। ओके, सो वो लिखने की ज़रूरत है क्या? वो समझ रहा है ना कि वहाँ पे CH3 नहीं रहेगा तो वो टॉटोमेराइजेशन बना लेगा, राइट? ओके, सो डू यू हैव द आइडिया ऑफ एनसैचुरेशन फैक्टर? ओके, you have the idea of ancestor. So what is the meaning of ancestation factor? Can you tell me? Right. So suppose we are having ancestation factor is equal to 1, then there will be either one cycle or one pi bond, right? Also, if we have ancestation factor is equal to 2, there will be one pi bond plus one cycle, or there will be simply 2 pi bond or 2 rings. Yes, so ancestation factor simply tells about the number of pi bond or number of ring in the compound, right? I hope you are getting it. So अभी मुझे लगता है टॉटोमेराइजेशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा, है ना? सो फाइनली वी कैन समराइज कि जहाँ पे भी टॉटोमेराइजेशन में हेट्रो एटम इन्वॉल्व है उसको टॉटोमर सी बोलेंगे। यूजुअली उसके लिए हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन टर्म यूज नहीं करेंगे, राइट? और जहाँ भी टॉटोमेराइजेशन हो रहा है और वहाँ पे होमोटॉमिक कंपाउंड है, मतलब सारे कार्बन एटम ही है और हाइड्रोजन ट्रांसफर कर रहा है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे, तो वैसे वाले कंपाउंड को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन। दे आर परफॉर्मिंग हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन, राइट? या टॉटोमर तो वो है ही, एट द सेम टाइम हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन बोल सकते हैं। बेसिकली देखा जाए तो ऑल दीज आर परफॉर्मिंग हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन. टेक्निकली जितना भी हमने एग्जांपल लिखा, वी कैन से दैट दे आर ऑल परफॉर्मिंग हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन, राइट. बिकॉज अल्फा हाइड्रोजन टर्म आया कहाँ से? अल्फा हाइड्रोजन टर्म आया हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन से पहले, ना कि टाउटोमेराइजेशन से. टाउटोमेराइजेशन किसको बोल दिया गया? स्पेशल केसेस ऑफ some special cases of hyperconjugation has been termed as tautomerization process. और वो स्पेशल टर्म्स कौन से थे? जब हेट्रो एटम इन्वॉल्व रहेगा. जब क्या इन्वॉल्व रहेगा? जब हेट्रो एटम इन्वॉल्व रहेगा वहाँ पे क्या बोल देंगे उसको कि दे आर परफॉर्मिंग टाउटोमेराइजेशन. बट एक्चुअली तो हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन ही कर रहे हैं ना. In actual way they are performing hyperconjugation, but whenever there will be involvement of heteroatom, that will be termed as tautomerization, right. Okay, so should we start with the isomerism?